your first 5 essential settings on the Canon R6 Mark II. That's what we're talking about in today's video. So number 1 is raw photos. It is super vital that you are taking your images in raw photos. I have a video on this channel about how to go ahead and make sure you are photographing in raw on the Canon R6 Mark II. And again, you should also make sure that you're doing that in any camera body that you are shooting on, especially when you are doing photography professionally. Raw photos give you the highest quality. All the metadata and everything is in those photos. All the colors and just everything is going to be the best when you are shooting in raw. And then number 2 is your white balance. You are going to want to make sure that you are telling your camera how to see white. I also have a white balance video on this video for the Canon R6 Mark II that you can go find after this video, and I'll link some of these videos all around so you can learn all the things while you're here to make sure that your camera knows how you want to see white. It's important to tell it that with custom white balance using Kelvin. And number 3, you want to make sure that you are properly exposing your image from the start. To do this, you're going to want to set your ISO and aperture and your shutter speed within manual mode. And I probably even have a video on the channel for that as well. Again, I have a lot of videos for all these things, so feel free to look around until you find that one. And then number 4 is you want to make sure that you are choosing the best autofocus for the type of photography that you are doing. And then number 5, you want to make sure that you will do recording to both of your cards so you have like a backup as you are photographing. So those are the first 5 essential settings on your Canon R6 Mark II that you want to make sure to set first. And if you want to go ahead and see what are all those different like autofocus settings that you can use and like play around with and figure out what's best for the subject you're shooting, that video will be next.